The performance of the product is closely related to the technical characteristics that the antenna has in ideal conditions of use. SWR less than 1.2, maximum applied power 50 Watt CB, FM impedance 150 ohms, CB 50 ohms. The PNI Duplex 2000 CB antenna is a multiband CB-FM antenna that combines the characteristics of the free CB frequency 27 MHz with those specific to FM radio for the car 88 to 108 MHz. Practically, this antenna replaces the original FM radio antenna of the car, and through it you can listen to the radio and broadcast received in the free CB band. PNI Duplex 2000 is an antenna built from quality materials that guarantee durability over time. The antenna comes with two cables, one for CB and one for FM radio. Thanks to the adjustable tip, the antenna can be easily calibrated so that the reception and emission is ideal without interference. It is recommended that the adjustment calibration of the antenna be performed by specialized personnel with the related equipment. The exclusive anti-noise design produces air movement around the spike, virtually eliminating wind noise.